सो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑल एट इंजीनियरिंग हब। स्वागत है आप सभी का। माय नेम इज वरुण शर्मा एंड द सब्जेक्ट नेम इज इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट। क्विकली कनेक्ट एवरीवन, फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट। दोज हु आर joining, काइंडली कंफर्म। कैन यू हियर मी प्रॉपर? Audio video clear? Kindly tell me fast 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 fast. Yes, I checked also. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. So my dear friends, today is the biggest day because biggest announcement is waiting for you, my dear friends. But before that, I am going to discuss again a beautiful thing. So kindly connect fast quickly and tell me in the comment box, is that all clear? So my dear friends, my name is Varun Sharma, crack gate, SSC, JEE, AESC, 10 plus years teaching experience, mandate 2 lakh plus aspirants, MTech PhD from MNIT Jaipur, 5 times gate qualified gate, SSC J state institute exams, guys. And I'm here only for you to teach industrial promotion officer batch. And the beautiful subject, the subject name is what? The subject name is what? Sir, the subject name is industrial management. Industrial management, my dear friend, and as well as industrial engineering. Industrial engineering. These two subjects are very, very, very important subject for the IPO, Industrial Promotion Officer. And as we know very well, guys, those who are the serious candidate, APPSC, Industrial Promotion Officer batch, complete technical course. Yes, absolutely. Complete technical course available, 100% syllabus and exam oriented. In that, you will get video lectures, PDF notes, test series, MCQ session, previous year's question. For that, you have to download Engineering Hub app. Enroll now. For that, any query, contact 7999720833 and 7008420353, my dear friends. But before that, good evening, guys, good evening. So people thought, sir, yesterday, where are you? You might be thought, sir, is there any of yesterday lecture? So guys, I will tell you, the thing is, yesterday lecture was on Engineering Hub app. Yes, my dear friends, this is the YouTube class. In that lecture on Engineering Hub app, I'll covered break-even chart concept. And do not worry, just recap that concept for you the guys time. Yes, but before that, please mark your attendance. Ki sir, I'm here. Come on guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening. My dear friends, Sarji, what is the biggest announcement for us? Sir, what is the biggest announcement, sir? Please tell me. Sir, the biggest announcement only for you guys. Sir, please tell me fast. So guys, very, very important news for very, very important person. Absolutely, sir. Please look at the board, guys. What is the announcement, sir? So, the announcement is for you only, guys. Basis on the continuous demand of you guys. Sir, please bring some separate batch of industrial management as well as industrial engineering. So guys, Engineering Hub is only for you. My dear friends, Engineering Hub launching industrial management as well as industrial engineering batch. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everybody. So guys, for you only, Engineering Hub launching complete course. For what? for industrial engineering as well as management, for specific, for the paper 2, my dear friends, and it is complete course. In that you will get what? You will get complete video lectures, PDF notes, test series, MCQ practice session, PYQ, and guys, early bird discount also available. Those who are the initially starting 20 students, for the starting 20 students, those who can enroll in this batch, guys, will get beautiful discount. But for that you have to download Engineering Hub app and enroll now. And guys, there might be some offer also. There is a promotion code also. The code name is IPO Industrial. For that you will get discount also. So guys, this is the good news. Even this is the wonderful news for you, because in my lecture, actually I take 6 to 7 lectures on this subject only, industrial management. And guys, no. Yes. People commenting ki sir, there was no class yesterday. No. The upgrade Hub Telugu, there is a class on yesterday, but not on YouTube. So sir, where is the class? The class was on app only, where I will covered after the fundamental of break-even analysis chapter. I'll covered break-even chart logic as well as to make that chart. Don't worry, I'll show you what I already teach in the app. But guys, this is YouTube class, I'm not here to coverage all the syllabus on the YouTube. Definitely you understand, guys. That's why I'm requesting to sir, to Engineering Hub platform, kindly launch APPSC dedicated industrial promotion officer batch for the subject of industrial management as well as engineering. So guys, for the continuous demands of you guys, they listen and they launch industrial management as well as engineering batch, because you know very well in paper 2 we have 6 subjects. Yes or no? We have maths, we have physics, we have chemistry, we have industrial management, we have industrial engineering, and we have computer science, basic of computer science. But what is the most weighted subject? The most weighted subject is what? Industrial engineering section as well as management section. So dedicated batch on I as well as management. That was launching for you guys only. So guys, in this course, if you enroll this course, you will get maximum discount. But if you are the lucky 21, yes, lucky 20 students, for lucky 20 students, initial student lucky, they will get huge discount. But for that discount code, you know very well, IPO Industrial. Don't worry, I am going to write the code, promotion code. The code is very important. For avail discount, IPO. When you are going to download Engineering Hub app and then enroll in the course of what? IEM as well as IE, then discount code is showing you. Please put this IPO Industrial. And guys, very important for everyone. But this is only for lucky 20, first 20 students. So guys, don't become late. Join this batch and start the journey of IM and IE. IE means industrial management, IE means industrial engineering with me, guys. So guys, right now it is the initial lecture, you know very well. In that lecture I covered the concept, the basic, the foundation of industrial as well as the beautiful chapter, break even. Okay guys, so this is very important. Let's go further, guys. Come on, sir. So guys, Next is what? You know very well the syllabus of industrial management, guys. We have totally 7 sections. Basic of industrial management, organization structure, PM, MM, maintenance, entrepreneurship, nutrients, and this is the in detail, as well as the syllabus of IE, work study, method study, micromotion, statistical quality control, control charts, sampling. This is in the detail. And guys, I started on YouTube. You know very well the chapter is what? The chapter is break even. And you know very well this chapter will deal you the number of component of number of units you have to produce or sold to cover the cost of business. Yes or no? This is the basic of this chapter. Ki break even analysis depends on selling cost, total cost, volume of production. Yes or no? This is the fundamental. At BEP, everybody knows revenue equal to investment. This is already I covered on YouTube in the date, I think 20, today's date what? 23, 21 April. Because on 22nd April, the lecture was on app, not on YouTube. That's why I covered revenue equal to investment, and this is the fundamental you already covered. At BEP, this is the condition, and it depends on total cost, total sales, volume of production, total cost, fixed plus variable. I already plotted the graph between fixed variable, total cost. This is a fixed cost graph. This is the variable cost graph. This is the total cost graph. The slope of total cost, you know very well. Variable cost, small v. Similarly, total sales graph, small, already covered. That's why I recap. Just recap all the story. Just recap. Yes or no? And the terms you already seen, and the assumption. This is the content you already seen on the YouTube for the YouTube people. After that, in yesterday lecture, I covered. Sir, what you covered? Can I show you? Can I show you guys? The beauty of break even. I already covered on app this one. I designed to how to plot break even chart, the logic behind the break even with the example of small v only. What is small v? This is already covered on app on yesterday. Just recap in 2 minutes. Small v rupees 2 per unit. Then it is to be understood for the guys only, for the break even only. Smallest selling price must be greater than variable cost to earn something. Very, 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 very important. And if this condition possible, then only intersection, because then the intersection possible or held. That's why you differentiate the stage of profit and loss stage, because you will find the point of break even. Yes or no? This is the break even, this is the break even, this is the break even. So I take the example of different revenue scale: revenue 1, revenue 2, revenue 3, revenue 4 on app only. And I already told you the guys, since profit is equal to total sale minus total cost, if the profit is 0, because I know very well at break even point there is no profit. Guys, I am just telling you in a fastly manner, total sale equal total cost. That will show you intersection of 2 lines. Yes or no? So guys, intersection of 2 lines. So guys, you see already on the app. Before that point, you will suffer. You will be in suffer, means loss. After that point, you will be in balle balle. Balle balle means profit. At that point, no profit, no loss. This is the concept. I'm not taking randomly plot single line, that line at point intersection and tell you this is the no. By the logic only. In a detail, I already discussed on the app, guys. Then the condition for break-even point, the slope of total sale line must be greater than slope of total cost line. Then I'm going to further on the app yesterday break-even chart from the plotted this graph. I am going to plot in on the app only break-even point. From that point, I understood where is the point where an organization neither earn profit nor suffer loss. Then what I take dependent variable, independent variable between the cost versus quantity. Yes or no? Then I plot fixed cost line. Then total yellow line is total sales line. Pink line is total sales line. There is an intersection point which is known as BEP. This point is projected horizontal and vertical. If you project If you project vertical, then you will find QBEP means break even quantity, as well as on sales scale is break even point sales. After that point, you will be in a safer region, that is known as MOS, means margin of safety, and MOS in terms of unit, as well as MOS in terms of sales or rupees, as well as when the total sale line cut the total cost line, the angle is formed. That angle is angle of incidence. I already told you the physical significance of angle of incidence, and the angle of incidence tells us more is the angle of incidence, break even point will shift towards left, and it will be more easy to earn more profit. This whole detail I already covered. See the beauty, everything I covered on app. So guys, that's why I told you, join Engineering Hub app only. On app will cover in very much detail, and question also, daily question practice. It's a very beautiful thing. And again guys, this is the mathematical explanation of break even chart. Start with total sale equal to total cost per profit, and this much. The first formula, Q is equal to F plus P by S minus V, where Q is the quantity produced toward the profit, F is the fixed cost, P is the profit, S sales price per unit, V variable cost per unit. This is the formula, not at break even. This is not at break even, because at break even no profit means. So guys, if I'm talking about the break even, profit becomes 0, Q becomes QB. This is the wonderful formula. This is the formula you have to learn. You have to remember guys. This is the formula. If question coming from this chapter, guys, please open your eyes. Come on, eyes as well as ears. Please open your ears. If question coming from the break-even analysis chapter, this formula is very important. Break-even quantity is nothing but fixed cost by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. It is such a quantity where an organization neither earn profit nor suffer loss. You have to find, or production manager have to find this much quantity only. Because after that quantity, profit will start. Actually, it will be more easy to earn more profit. As soon as this point you achieve, as soon as you will become in the profit region. Yes. Okay. Next. This is the formula BEP in terms of units. And this is the formula BEP in terms of sales. This much content I covered, guys. Covered in a study lecture. Yes. And not randomly just take and pick and just write. No. Explained. Yes. So guys, today's class is continued from yesterday. Yes. So today's class, which is continuation from the yesterday class. Okay guys, just recap. And this is the break-even point sales, and I already covered a numerical. Fixed cost is 40,000, variable cost 10 rupees per unit, selling cost 20 rupees per unit, then BEP in terms of unit, F upon S minus V, and so all. This is the break-even quantity. Okay guys, so guys, what I covered today, this is the again important thing. So sir, today is the practice session. Very important practice session. And in the practice session, I'll cover some beautiful question as well as some beautiful concept. So start with question number, it is already covered. Question number first only. Guys, read carefully. And my dear friend, please like, share, subscribe firstly. And my dear friend, this is the question from break even. First question I am going to solve. Then remaining question you will be easily solved. Okay, sir ji. Just read first. What is the question? He's asking. What he's saying basically, for a small scale industry, the fixed cost per month, how much? 5,000 rupees. Please write. Capital F is given. How much? Rupees 5,000. Okay, next. The variable cost per product is rupees 20 per piece. What is given? Variable cost per unit. How much it is? 20 per piece. As well as all three data. Sales price is given also. Oh my God. Sales price is already given. How much it is? 30 per piece. Oh my God. To find break even, you need three data. What three datas? FSV. Already given. F is given. V is given. S is given. What he is asking? Break even production quantity. It's a very easy. Very simple. What he is asking? QBP. And you know the formula of QBP means break even quantity, which is nothing but fixed cost divided by sales price per unit minus of variable cost per unit. Solve it and find the answer. Tell me what is the answer. Tell me, my dear friend, what is the answer? Just put the value. Put the value. Put the value. What is fixed cost? 5,000. What is selling cost, my dear friend? 30 per piece. What is variable cost? 20 per piece. The answer will come, which is 500 units. Oh my God. This is the answer, guys. Answer will be D for Delhi. D for Delhi. D for Delhi, guys. Look how simple it is. Look how simple it is. If you take care of all three data, FSV, you will be easily solve any question comes from. And guys, if the question of a logical type or a theoretical type, again, that also depends on all three data. And don't worry, I am going to solve in this class only. Yes, absolutely, guys. Absolutely. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, next question. Next question. Now, I think you will be, you're able to solve that type of question in easily manner. So, kindly solve next question for me. Next question for me. Okay, sir. Do it. There is no option, but don't worry, you can easily solve. What is the question? The fixed cost and the variable cost of the production are rupees 20,000 and rupees 50 per unit respectively. The demand for the item is 500 to break even the unit price. Oh my God, what he is asking? The unit price. Solve it, guys, in rupees. Please solve it. Rupees per unit. Please solve it. I'll give you 1 minute. It's a very simple, but there is no option. So whatever your answer, just write in comment box. Can I give you an option? Chal. Okay. Lo. Take. Option A. Option A is 70 per unit. Option B 80 per unit. Option C 90 per unit. Option D 100 per unit. Solve it. Solve it, my dear friend. Solve it. Fast. I'll give you. Do it. Guys, it is again a very simple problem, guys. Come on. Do it. Solve it. Anybody? What is the right answer? Can anyone tell? Or I'll be solved. Okay. Just one more. See what it given. Fixed cost and the variable cost 20,000, 50 per unit. Given capital F. How much? 20,000 rupees. Let's see one more time. Variable cost small v. How much? 50 per unit. 50 per unit. Demand for the item. Oh my God, what is, sir? What is this, sir? Demand for the item. It is nothing but, guys, capital Q, which is nothing but 500 units. To break even, the unit price means small s he is asking. Very simple question, guys. Very simple. Anyone? Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Look, 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 look. What I do, you know very well. Huh? QBP is nothing but F upon S minus V, my dear friend. What is QBP? Demand is already given. 500 fixed cost 20,000 because he is asking at he's asking at break even. Sales price we don't know. Variable cost we know 50. Guys, now it is very easy. This term takes here, this term take there. Very simple, very simple. So S minus 50 is equal to 20,000 divided by 500. What I do, this term shift here and that term shift into denominator. Yes or no? 500 goes here, this term goes here. Yes or no? So guys, 20 cut by 20. So my dear friend, selling price per unit minus 50 is equal to 5 4s are 20, 40 it is. So sales price how much? 90. Yes or no? Per unit. It's a very, very, very simple, guys. So answer will be C for Chennai. C for Chennai. It is a very simple question, sir. Very simple. Yes or no? All three data you have to consider to find break even. Sometimes he is asking, he asks F, sometimes he asks V, sometimes he asks S. Like this only, like this only. Got it? Got it? So 90 comes. 90 comes. Understand, my dear friend? Yes or no? Bilkul, sir. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir ji. Bilkul, sir ji. Next question. Next question. Can you do for me? Can you do it for me? If the fixed cost of the asset for a given period is double, then how much will be the break-even quantity becomes? Half the original value, same the original value, twice the original value, 4 times the original value. Do it, please. And answer me. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Guys, come on. Do it. Answer me, answer me, answer me. Again, a beautiful question. Very, very important question, guys. Do it, do it, do it. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, my dear friends. If the fixed cost of the asset for a given, it is a very simple question. Comes in the many examination paper. Can anyone tell option A, option B, option C, option D? What is the right answer, my dear friends? Please tell me fast. Look at here, look at here, look at here, look at here. Okay. You know very well, sir, what I know? What is the formula of break-even quantity? Yeah, Q at BEP, which is nothing but fixed cost divided by sales price minus variable cost. Okay. He say if the fixed cost for asset is doubled, and you know very well Q is directly proportional to the fixed cost. If my fixed cost, let it be F dash, new fixed cost, is double of previous 2F, then you tell me Q becomes what? Q becomes what? Guys, come on. Then QBP becomes also twice of original value. Because why? Why, sir? Why, sir? A one-liner question. Because Q is directly proportional to fixed cost only. If the F increases, Q increases. F decreases, Q decreases. Yes or no? Again, all three data you have to consider. So what is the answer? If the fixed cost for the asset is double, then my break-even quantity becomes twice the original value. Arey guys, they are very simple question. But You have to consider all the data, all the concept. So guys, twice the original value only. Yes or no, my dear friend? Okay, Sirji. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir. Now, we'll go on the next question. Next question. Again, an important question. Again, an important question. Oh my god. What he said. If break-even sales is equal to total fixed cost divided by 1 minus variable cost per unit by X, then what is the X? Is it overhead? Is it price per unit? Is it direct cost or material cost? What a wonderful question again. Do it, please. Please do it. Today is the practice session, my dear friends. You know very well practice is very, very important to crack any exam. If you do not practice for any exam, then things are becomes worst. So practice makes man perfect. Sir, what is the answer, sir? What is the answer? It is a very simple question. Earlier, this concept I already told on the yesterday on the app. Can I show you? Can I show you? Yes, please show me. Please show me, guys. I find the sales formula, which is at BP. Use this concept and find the answer. Find the answer. Look at sir. Look at Sir G. Look at Sir G. Anyone? Anyone, my dear friend? Anyone, my dear friend? If the break even sales, he is asking about sales always in rupees. Please take care of this. Sir, what is the formula? Look at the formula. Look at the formula. The break even point sales. You know. Huh? Sales is what simply? Sales is what simply? Selling price per unit into number of quantity. But where I'm talking about? I am talking about at BP na. So Q becomes QBP na. Because I have to calculate sales at BP. So Q becomes QBP. Huh? So my dear lovely friends, sales as it is into what is QBP formula? F upon S minus V. Yes or no? They are in rupees. Now, what is the next step? Sales price as it is, capital F, put or take small s outside the bracket. 1 minus small v by small s. So, my dear friend, small s is cut by small s. Just relate, guys, just relate. Just relate. Numerator in numerator is fixed cost. G sir, absolutely sir. Divided by 1 minus, relate with this. Fixed cost divided 1 minus small v. Variable cost prati unit per unit. Yes or no? Divided by small s. Selling cost per unit. Yes or no? And that is my X. Selling cost per unit. I have note space here. So guys, this is X. 1 minus variable cost per unit by X. What is my X? Selling cost per unit. Or you can say unit price. You can say unit price. So correct answer is Bombay. So correct answer is Bombay. Correct answer is Bombay. Understood, guys? Understood? Please tell me. It's again a very simple. Fixed cost divided by 1 minus variable cost per unit by selling cost per unit. Understood, my dear friend? See the what? Look at the beautiful concept. They are one-liner. Similarly, questions comes in the examination only, guys. They are not lengthy problems. They're not huge calculation. No. Simple one-liner. Look at. If anyone knows the formula of break-even point sales, which is S into F upon S minus V, just do mathematics and relate with the problem. Khatam. Finish. Total fixed cost divided 1 minus variable cost per unit by X. What is X? Price per unit or selling cost per unit. Simple as that. Simple. Simple, simple, sir. Simple, simple. We'll do on the next question. Next question, guys. Next question. Do it. Again a simple problem. Again a simple problem. Please do it for me. Please do it. Just read the question. The break-even point of a manufacturing company already given. Break-even quantity given in the problem. 50,000 units. Okay. The fixed cost is rupees 2 lakh. Variable cost per unit rupees 20. What he is asking? He is asking selling price. Small s. He is asking. Very simple problem. But guys, before solve this problem, please take care of what? The biggest announcement for you. Biggest announcement for you what? The biggest announcement is Engineering Hub launching for the separate batch of industrial management as well as industrial engineering only on paper 2. So guys, in this course you will get complete course of IM&I, video lecture, PDF note, test series, MCQ practice session, and early bird discount offer is also available for first 20 students. Get huge discount, but for that you have to apply code IPO Industrial. For that, where I will get access, sir? On Engineering Hub app only. Okay guys, this is very important. Don't miss this golden opportunity. But okay, come to the problem. Come to sir, the problem. I am going to solve this problem for you, Sirji. I know, Sirji. The problem is, please solve. Please solve, guys. Please solve. What he's asking? Selling price per unit. Given, what is given? QBEP given. How much? 50,000 units. 50,000 units already given. Okay, Sirji. Fixed cost is given. How much it is, Sirji? Rupees 2 lakh. Oh my God. 2 lakh rupees. Okay. And variable cost is already given. How much it is? 20 per unit. Okay, Sirji. What he's asking? Selling price. Again, same formula. Apply same formula. The formula is QBEP. Lovely students. Nothing but take care of all three data f upon s minus v. Just put the value and find the answer. What is QBEP? 50,000 already given na. Fixed cost 2 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 by s minus v. V is what? 20. Guys, it's a very easy problem. 40, 40. Yes or no? This part take place of this part. This part take place of this part. Yes or no? Can I take this side? S minus 20. Take here. 5 take here. Yes or no? So look at. Here 5 only, here 20 only. 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20. S minus 20. Take this side. The answer will be 20 negative. Here positive. 20 plus 4. 24. Finish. 24. Khatam. Very simple. Yes or no? Again, just look at one more time. QBEP is given 50,000. F is 2 lakh. S will not given here. Minus of V is given 20. 40 cut by 40. 5 4s are 20. This term takes here. S becomes 20 plus 4, 24. Finish. Very simple. Very simple. Now, guys, these are the problems are very simple. Now, do some logical problem. This is wonderful question, guys. Please make 5 star. Very important problem. This question comes in the examination various times. This is the wonderful problem, guys. Wonderful. And again, this problem is solved by formula only. Formula. I am already said, if you take care of all three data, you will solve any type of question. What is the question? The break-even point increases First, if the fixed cost per unit increases, variable cost per unit decreases, selling price per unit decreases. Which of this statement is an R correct? In all three statements, which are the statement correct or not? Option A, first only. Option B, first and second. Option C, second and third. Statement. Option D, first and third. Do it for me and tell me what is the right answer. I am waiting for your response. Then I am going to solve it. Do it. Do it. I'll give you. I'll give you 20 seconds. No, take 30 seconds. Take 30 seconds and solve it. Take 30 seconds. Solve it. Do it, guys, do it. This is a wonderful problem for you only. This is the beauty. Sir, literally, it is a wonderful problem. Again, solving by this formula. QBP is equal to, we know, fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus of variable cost per unit. Again, I am saying if you take care of all three data, FSV, you are going to solve any problem. Okay, sir G. Okay, sir G. Absolutely, sir G. Guys, what he is asking, look at the problem. The break-even point increases. And what it is? Break-even point in terms of quantity. If, look at, QBP increases according to the problem. When? Look at the data. QBP depends on F, depends on selling price, depends on variable cost. Absolutely, sir. QBP is directly proportional to fixed cost. So QBP increases if first fixed cost increases. First point. If the fixed cost increases, guys, QBP increases. And he's asking increases. Yes or no? So look at all three statements, first, second, third. If the fixed cost per unit increases. So first statement is absolutely correct. First statement is absolutely correct. Because QBP increases when fixed cost increases. QBP decreases when fixed cost decreases. But in the question, increases only. So first statement, 100% true. Look at in what option first is not covered? C. So C is wrong. C is wrong. C is eliminated here. Why C is eliminated? Because in C there is no first statement. So up now answer maybe A, maybe B, maybe D. A, B, D. A, B, D. A, B, D. Now which option is correct? Because one option is eliminated here. Next. Look at the board. QBP increases. Look at the board. QBP increases. Look at the denominator part. S minus V. S is what? Slope. S is what? Slope. Sales slope. Yes or no? Total sales line slope. V is what? Total cost slope. Look at. V is already negative in denominator S minus V. If V is increases, yes, if V is increases, this term decreases. Ultimately this term, because inversely proportional with that, increases. Yes or no? Look at, V is already negative. If V is further decreases, then it is problem. Look at, but if V increases, then whole term decreases. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yeah, this is the wonderful concept. If variable cost per unit increases, then Q increases. Q increases. In question, he's asking increases. So, guys, V increases in which option? Which option? Which option? Option number statement number 2. Variable cost per unit decreases. No, 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 no. Wrong statement. Wrong statement. Absolutely wrong statement. Absolutely wrong statement. No, 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 no. Break even point increases when the variable cost increases. Increases, then it is increases. But in question, decreases. So in second statement, properly wrong. Wrong statement. In which option 2 covered? B. B is wrong. B is eliminated here. B wrong. B wrong. B wrong. C is already eliminated. B is right now eliminated. Now answer maybe A, maybe D. Maybe A, maybe D. Maybe A, maybe D. Let's check slope of this. A sales price. Guys, please note down. QBP increases when? If selling price decreases only. Absolutely, because it is a slope. When the selling price decreases, QBP increases. So look at the third statement. If the selling price decreases, absolutely right. First and third, 100% true, means D option is right. D for Delhi. Again, I repeat, QBP increases. In question, focus on increases, not reduces. Increases. When it is possible? When the fixed cost increases, when the variable cost increases, and the sales price decreases. Then only it is possible. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, things becomes worst. Yes or no? Absolutely, guys. When the selling cost decreases, break even point increases. Or when the selling price increases, you become decreases. So please note down. Question. Okay, golden note. Golden note. Absolutely, sir. Golden note, guys. Important for you. Golden note. Important for you. Please take care. Please take care. Please take care. Please take care. Very important for you. QBP increases when fixed cost increases, variable cost increases, selling price decreases. Golden note, fixed cost increases, variable cost increases, sales price decreases. Then QBP increases. Again, QBP decreases when fixed cost decreases, variable cost decreases, selling price increases. So guys, please take care of these two golden notes. QBP increases when this. Decreases when this. Please. Question comes. This is the beautiful logic, guys. Beautiful logic. So please take care. So this question is 5-star problem. 5-star problem. QBP increases when the fixed cost increases, variable cost increases, sales price decreases. QBP decreases when the fixed cost decreases, variable cost decreases, or selling price increases. Please note down. Okay? So please mark this. Can I go on the next problem? Next problem. So guys, see what a wonderful problem. Guys. So that's why industrial management class is very important, and this is in your syllabus only. Yes or no? Next question, sir G. Oh, wonderful question. Again, a beautiful question. Consider the following statement in respect to break-even point. Look at all three statements. And which of these statements is or are correct? Revenue is equal to total cost. Revenue is equal to variable cost. Profit loss equal to 0. Out of this, which statements are correct? Tell me in the comment box. Which statements are correct, guys? Tell me. Which statement correct in respect to break even point? Again, a very simple problem. Tell me. I am waiting for your response, guys, only. You people are wonderful people and you are going to solve this problem in very easy manner. Arey guys, at BP, everybody knows in the world, sir, what? Revenue must be equal to investment only. And investment is what? Total cost. So guys, which statement correct? Revenue is equal to total cost. Absolutely correct. Revenue is equal to variable cost. Absolutely incorrect. Profit loss equal to 0. Yes. Everybody knows at BP, profit or loss, both are 0. Yes or no? So third statement, absolutely correct. 1 and third. In which option? D for Delhi. D is right. Revenue is equal to total cost and profit becomes 0 at BP. Yes or no, my dear friend? Absolutely, sir. So guys, look at the problems which I covered today on the topic of break even, and you guys mesmerizing by these problems only, and you checked your ability or quality by these problems only. For what? Question asking yourself, can I able these type of problem in easy manner by studying this chapter? If you are going to able solve these problem, then definitely you are on the right track. So guys, this is the concept, formula, numericals from the break even chart. This is the beauty, guys, of IPO batch. Further problems, I'll give you in PDF only. Look at the problems in PDF only, but for app students only, guys. So guys, don't miss this golden opportunity. My dear friend. The industrial engineering and management batch, guys. Those who are the serious candidate and who wants specifically dedicated batch on industrial management as well as engineering, this is the batch for you. Paper 2 only, guys. Complete course available. The silent feature of this course, video lectures you will get, PDF notes, test series, PYQ, MCQ practice session, everything you will get. But for that, you have to download Engineering Hub app. And enroll this course, and you will get maximum discount by applying code of what? By applying code of IPO Industrial. But for that, you have to download what, sir? You have to download Engineering Hub app. Description box. It is mentioned in the description box, Engineering Hub app. So guys, this is enough for today's lecture. Let's meet tomorrow with the fresh new chapter only. And guys, again, you see the beauty of next chapter. Sir, what is the next chapter? For that, you have to come tomorrow, na? Tomorrow, 9 p.m. on YT. Okay, guys. Good night. Take care. And this PDF you already provided by the Hub app only. So, guys, let's meet tomorrow. And this is the wonderful session, guys. Okay, guys. So, break even is done. For the syllabus only, guys. This syllabus is totally based on your IPO batch only. So please look at. break even is still not over yet for the examination like GATE, ESC. Further, I have to discuss more topics, but for that it is sufficient. It is sufficient. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is enough. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care of yourself. Let's meet tomorrow, and don't forget to join this batch only. This is very important. Okay, guys, take care. Good night.